Hey, this is your boy Dan the Man. Today we'll be changing the fuel filter on the 94 Plymouth Voyager. Gonna need something to catch the fuel in, flathead screwdriver, and a 1/2-inch socket. Okay, now I'm going to get on the car and get started. Take pictures of my progress. Okay, I'm Dan the Man here. I just got the fuel filter changed. This is the old one. As you can see, let's see, some gas dripping out of the old filter. Got that changed out. See the dust and dirt on it. I'm not sure if it's coming up good in the video, but changed it on my back. Only other extra tool that I needed was a pair of channel locks because the hoses were practically frozen onto the old filter. So got that loose, put the new filter on, so we should be back in business. Gonna fill it up with some mid-grade and see how she runs.